Hi, it's Ronald here from Woodies Scrap Box, raising home vibrations. Today I'm just showing you how I do my pizzas. Really good for single parents, and it's quite a nutritious meal. I generally just start with a home brand Supreme. Because my ulcers give me a bit of curry, I tend to remove the pepperoni. The dogs will love this pepperoni, and I've got some prawns. Only 3 prawns, there's more than enough for this. I had a prawn roll yesterday, and these prawn heads are really good for the dogs' coats. And if you've got chickens love them, and they'll give you the most yellowy orange eggs you've ever seen when they're eating prawns, or prawn heads. I've already put some chicken on there, a bit of roast chook that was left over, and I'll just dot some of these olives around there. Just a bit of capsicum, a bit of extra capsicum. There's a bit on these, but I always like a bit more. They seem to be a bit stingy with it. And yeah, I just tend to sprinkle little bits here and there. These come up really nice if you're into seafood. I'm on a seafood diet. Seafood need it. I've also got some other mix here. Some calamari, mussels and whatnot, fish. And these always tend to make it really nice. That should be enough, I think. A couple of bits of fish. Because there's so much extra toppings on these, I tend to put the oven on a lower heat and do it for a bit longer. This particular brand of pizza says like 12 minutes, and other ones will be 20 minutes. But anyway, I'll probably do this for about 15 minutes. The easiest way I found for doing shallots or spring onions is just to snip them with scissors. So I have kitchen scissors on hand all the time to add a little bit there. Now you can add all sorts of things apart from this. Leftover spaghetti bolognese, whatever you like, and if your kids like it or you like it, it's excellent. So that's my version. Actually, I was going to put some avocado on that as well, because I love avocado. And I don't know, this feels a bit almost too far gone. When the avocado's a bit fresher than this, the seed will stick in there, and you just give it one good hit with a knife and twist it, and the seed will come out. This one I don't have to worry. I'll get some of this out, throw that in there as well. On another episode I might show you how to make a pizza cutter, but because I'm leaving this property very soon, it might be a while before I have my shed set up to go into that. Anyway, bon appetit. Hope this finds you well. Some things will seem pretty mundane to some people, but you know, at one stage there I had a guy working for me, and he'd get paid on Friday, and Monday he'd be borrowing against his next pay or trying to sponge off me. And so I had to teach him a few things about cooking and whatnot, instead of buying takeaway food all the time. This pizza all up has cost me about $6. So anyway, this is a pizza cutter I was telling you about. and probably go into that and making one of these at some stage for anyone who's interested. That's been done for an extra, about an extra 7 minutes, and I think it's just about right. Thank you for watching this channel.